guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ogonwadi. Thank you for joining me today. I want to show you how to make almond milk turmeric smoothie. This is what you're gonna be needing. You're gonna be needing an unsweetened almond milk. You could buy the plain one or the vanilla infused one, just a cup of it, and of course a teaspoon of turmeric, a little bit of ginger, chili pepper, and a frozen banana. I'm making a couple of smoothies today, but this is the first one I like to make. So you're gonna see a lot of things here, but this is the first thing I'm making. So here we go. If you do not have a frozen banana, go ahead and still use it. All you have to do is add some cubes of ice. I already freeze this once. I'm using just the banana. And I'm going to pour the almond milk, 1 cup of it. A teaspoon of turmeric. Half a teaspoon of chili pepper. Good for inflammation. A little bit of ginger. Optional, the ginger is optional, but it's good. And we blend. And that's it for your turmeric almond milk smoothie. It's very good. You could skip lunch and have this for your lunch and you're good to go. If you're trying to lose weight, this is one of your options. So now I'm gonna make my strawberry, banana, pineapple, kiwi, carrot smoothie. So I have a couple of strawberry that has blackberry and raspberry. Frozen is better, guys, frozen. And then to it, I'm going to be adding just 2 slices of the pineapple. I'm going to be using a heaped spoon of yogurt. And to that, I'm just going to add a little bit of coconut milk to make it taste tropical. And I put in my banana. 1 whole banana is enough. Couple of carrots, not everything. And then let's see, let me put like 2 or 3 slices of kiwi. Just try to make it tropical enough. All right. Look at that color. That looks so nice. And that's all it takes. My tropical strawberry, pineapple, carrot, and kiwi smoothie. So now you're gonna have to get either a mason jar or a cup. I have this major cup over here where I'm gonna transfer this for later use. You really need a bottle or a mason jar or something for this to store all your smoothies. This is like a meal plan for me, meal prep. So all these juices gonna serve as my lunches. And I have 1 more to go and then we're done. So let's get ready to make the last one. So the next one is pineapple and coconut smoothie. For this, you're gonna be needing pineapple. If you have the fresh one, that's good. If you don't have it, you have the canned one, that's equally good. So you're gonna need a mint leaf. We're gonna be needing lime juice, a little bit of salt, and for sweetener, you could use a sugar-free keto maple syrup, you know, and then some couple of ice. So I'm gonna throw in the ice first, and that's it. All we have to do is to transfer it into our mason bottle. And this is very easy to make. This could replace any meal, breakfast, lunch, even dinner. Smells so nice, especially with the mint. And here you go, coconut pineapple smoothie. Let's go to the next one. Now guys, this is the final smoothie I'm going to show you how I make. This is my green smoothie. So let's go ahead and make this together. I like this most because it helps me to lose weight faster. You know, it could work for you that same way. So what we're gonna be needing is some nice green baby spinach, cucumbers, a little bit of kiwi. This is a celery juice that I made. I want to pour it in since I don't have the stick itself. And I'm gonna add chia seed for some fiber. And this is unrefined coconut oil for extra fat. And I want that nutty feel. I'm using almond nuts here and a little bit of ginger. And for the sweetener, I just squeezed one orange. I squeezed that orange juice just to use as the sweetener. And I'm gonna add a little bit of my yogurt here. You could skip that if you want, but I'm gonna add it in this. So let's do this. Let me see. Let me put in my nuts first. My chia seeds, that's a tablespoon of chia seed. Handful of my cucumber. The spinach. Some ginger. Like I said, a little bit of yogurt. I love Greek yogurt. And my sweetener, which is the freshly squeezed oranges. And we're gonna blend. Add more spinach. I had to blend that to make it to get it going. More spinach. You need a lot of spinach because this is a green smoothie. And of course, the remaining kiwi and cucumber. Oh, sorry, let me close this one. I'm gonna shake it a little bit because I see some of my chia seeds inside, not moving. Okay. And that's okay. So added the oil to my coconut oil. And all I have to do is pour it in this container. Guys, look at how green that looks. Green represents life. Drink this smoothie for life. So, this is our 4 smoothies that we both made. Thank you for making it with me, guys. So this can be used as your meal, either for lunch or breakfast. Have the strawberry going here, the turmeric, the pineapple, and coconut, and then lastly, the green smoothie. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today to make all this smoothie. This is what I use, you know, to help me with weight loss. Try any of this smoothie. We will go a long way in helping your health. Thank you so much for joining me, and please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment. I appreciate every one of you. It's bye from Ogomwadi. Bye bye.